ezami indaba ngizozizwa ngami phela, not about omunye umuntu, not ngomunye umuntu, never. Because angithi nganilethela futhi indaba zami ngomjolo wami on national TV. Manje nina senithatha lokhu and use it against me. Impilo yami hawu kuyimanje nazi nani ukuthi ngiyenzani, ngikuphi, nginobani. Hawu kahle bo. The problem is that ezolo wami 2% of umjolo wami is on national TV. Just 2%. Akuthi ngiyazazi indaba zami, anazi lutho ngami. Nthabi, I have a lot of questions but siyasabubuza. I actually went live on purpose because I know that you guys have a lot of questions. Ngale ndaba kaBoyz angazi lutho futhi angifuna nokuphawula ngendaba that I know nothing about, that have nothing to do with me. Umnikazi wale ndaba uzoyiphendulela. Ubonile uBoyz ufuna ukuthatha indoda. Angithi indoda yathi ayinamnikazi. Mayifuna akayithathe. Uthina sithi interviewed her. Hayibo interviewed bani manje kanjani? Hayi ndimusa ukudlala ngami. Waze wangifaka usibindi ekhulumeni Jesu. Angiyazi nanento abayisho lapha yana mina. Don't know anything. I'm studying mama, yes. Your men's shoes are trending. I hate those shoes. At least I'll never see them again. Yep. Uzolahle noma usishizile yini iqathu. Burning in flames. Ngiyadlala wewenti. Hey, musani ukungifaka ekhulumeni. How do you feel about this Skhotheni saga? Nina guys nihamba nikholwa yonke into. Yabona, if you guys listened to that whole podcast, nalalela attentively, you guys were gonna pick up the loopholes, but ke angisafuna ukuphawula ngendaba engahlangene nami.
Hayi ke niyazivela utsho ke unomtiritiri guys, utheza ke indaba naziva ngaye not ngoma Mgobhozi wabeke ethethana ngento kaBoyz esithi yena akafuna ukuphawula kakhulu ngayo, kodwa into ayenzileyo uthe get rid of ezasihlangu. Akatsho ba ke uwenze njani, uzilahlile okanye uzitshisile, kodwa uthi hey andiphinde ndizibone ndabona into bazimtraumatizile xa sibona kwezanyawo zikaBoyz. And then kwindaba kaSkhotheni uyamdefenda shem umuntu wakhe, uthi hey guys nina xa nibukela la interview ine loopholes. Uthi ukuthi ke ba akayikholelwa yena lonto leyo yoba ugogo Skhotheni noMpumelelo balala kunye okanye batyola, whatever lonto ke ithethwa ngugogo Maweni. Nani ke guys nivile ivoice note esithi ugogo Maweni ke the reason why nathi sithi run with this story, it's because weyithomi kagogo Skhotheni. Ithomi niyazazi ke sana ziyathetha ngezinto ezizenzayo. Otherwise uThutiritiri yena useJoburg ngoku kwaye besithi uMpumelelo usaphumile, so ukunye noMpumelelo. So injalo ke bethi nani nizivele indoda ithe ayinamnikazi. Wathi naxa echata ufuna amakhosikazi i7, therefore noba angatshata uTirelo uyayazi uba kusafuneka kukhona abanye abalandelayo. And into ye-interviews guys uthi hayi akayazi into uMpumelelo owayethetha, yena uyaphika into yo-interviewer ama-girlfriend. Asiyazi ke ba why would uMpumelelo just make that up. Aveska posisa njengonomtiritiri athi uTirelo seba ku conference call tontoni, then ke bancokole emveni koba yena eye wamscreena umuntu. UTirelo uthi akayazi yena yonke lonto leyo. So andazombana oxoxayo between them because ke abantu abaninzi baye bamcriticize. Litsho ke isoldier lika DJ Mpumza uba lenwabile noMpumelelo akho nto ibitheni. Khani ke litsho ke nakuba nicinga ntoni ngayo yonke lento ethethwa nguTiritiri noba esithi uyamdefenda umuntu wakho kugogo Skhotheni. Mama Mgobhozi uyanibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.